Hello, everyone. My name is Caitlin Cordick, and I'm going to be talking about why Earth is a habitable planet. So, there are certain things a planet needs in order for it to be habitable. Those things are the right temperature, water, the right atmosphere, and energy. The first thing a planet needs to be habitable is the right temperature. Life seems limited to a temperature range of -15 degrees Celsius to 115 degrees Celsius. In this range, water can still exist. In low temperatures, chemicals react slowly, which interferes with the reactions necessary for life. Low temperatures also freeze water, making liquid water unavailable. If it's too hot, the water will evaporate and the high temperatures will break apart the molecules necessary for life. The Earth is in the perfect spot in the solar system where it's not too hot and not too cold. The second thing a planet needs to be habitable is water. Earth is the only planet that is covered in liquid water that helps sustain life. Water helps dissolve and transport chemicals on the Earth and is a key factor in sustaining life for the living creatures on Earth. Another important factor for a planet to have to be habitable is the right atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is perfect for life. It protects the Earth from harmful radiation, traps necessary heat, and provides chemicals needed for life such as nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Energy is another important factor. Organisms use light or chemical energy to run their life processes. With a steady input of either light or chemical energy, cells can run the chemical reactions necessary for life. This energy comes from the sun. Earth is an amazing planet and is just right for life. It is in just the right spot in the solar system, is just the right size, has just the right amount of water, and has just the right atmosphere. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else.